BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned how we can look for trade and we had entry above this. And what we can see here is there is no much changes. The only thing is we get this drop. Okay. First of all, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. Okay. In this case, we start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. Okay, this is what we have been looking for. We mentioned if we want to get the continuation, we need to get the correction. How long will be within this correction? It does. I mean, we cannot confirm, but what we do is based on lower time frame. If we get any trade set up, we will take the trade. And in this case, we move to forward chart. And right now we're looking at this correction. Okay, the way it's correcting is, I mean, it's really corrective because we can see the price couldn't break the previous low. Okay, which is almost around 1300 1.3. Okay, now we want to see what's the next. Can we expect the breakout of this before we get the reversal, or any trade setup within this we can take the trade? But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup right now, and we cannot, I mean, we don't have any setup even flats to look for the next move. The only thing is we get the correction. I think if we move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear. All right, this is what we get based on 1 hour chart. That's why we have been looking for this correction. All right, now for me, the way is correcting. Last time we were looking at this one as a flat. This one turned to last move, but the way it drop every time give a small correction and drop. Still, we can expect this one to give us one more drop because we want to see the breakout of the previous low, which is 1272. Okay, as we can see around this level, which is 1285, a few times price tag, but it couldn't break. Okay, now what I'm looking for, I'm looking for buy, and the only thing is any reversal from here, I will take the trade. Then, but whether this the reversal, this is the one is going to break the top or turn this one to a bigger correction later when we get the trade based on the movement it either sharp or corrective move, we can make a decision. But right now, any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. Okay, now the first thing is we're looking for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Can we consider this one as a sharp move flag? How about if I move to 15 minutes, we can look at it, it will be more clear. All right, maybe we can consider this one, but the way it's moving, it doesn't give me any trade setup, but still we can look for this. Mostly we prefer if this one retest or break the previous low. Okay, now how we can look for trade? Any reversal with a sharp move flag, we will take the trade, and we wait another a few hours. We see whether this one can give us trade setup or not. If it gives, we take the trade. If not, then the second option is we had entry above this. Maybe we adjust this one above this. We put it here above this, which is around 1431. What's the exact? Or yes, 1431. All right. Maybe we can have entry at 1431 in case the price sharply reverse without giving us a trade setup. But first of all, we prefer to get a trade setup. If not, then we can have entry above this. And what we want to get a sharp move and break out of the price tag. We see it's not moving, we take out the trade. We don't stay more than 1 or 2 hours. Why? Because still we can expect this one turn to a bigger flat for continuation. But beside that, if there is a reversal as a corrective move, we are not going to have entry above this. We want the sharp move and breakout. Okay, rather than that, we don't have any other option way to look for the trade. And the best thing is again, this one retest the previous low and we get the sharp move flag. Okay. Anyway, for similar to what we get here. All right, or even maybe we have example similar to what we get here. The best thing is if we get anything similar to what we have here. That's why I don't think this one is a reversal points. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.